Wine? I'm not a girl! Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. So I gotta say real quick before we start this, for all you Americans out there, I hope you guys enjoyed your Thanksgiving with your friends and family and dogs and hookers. You know, in Canada, Thanksgiving is on a different day. So while y'all were snacking on your turkey last night, I was snacking on a big fat piece of butt. It sounds weird when it's butt, I'm trying not to swear. I'm just joking though, I spent my night alone on Google Images searching up Selena Gomez in a thong, and it was sick. So yes, happy Thanksgiving to me too, that's what I'm thankful for, Selena. Mwah. I love you. And the things I would do to you. Oh my god. Probably take you out to eat and bang you. I'm filming this on the exact same day I'm gonna upload this. As y'all know, if you're watching today, it's Black Friday. Now, because it's Black Friday, I thought I'd do a little challenge for this channel. And that challenge is, yo, let's try to buy some dope shit for cheap and then sell it for more, because we want more money. We're all about making money on the channel, boys. Remember this. So the other night, man, I was on the computer, browsing once again Selena Gomez on browsers. Apparently she doesn't have any videos on there yet, but that's soon to come, I hope. Until I stumbled on Amazon. Now, when I went to Amazon, I saw they had a bunch of dope-ass sales. Now you guys know we've been focusing on jewelry lately on the channel just because I think it's sick right now. And there's a lot of websites you can go to actually buy it for pretty cheap. I personally wear the real jewelry and not necessarily the discounted stuff that I show you guys because I'm a bit of a diva, not gonna lie. However, I did find a lot of really dope jewelry on Amazon for really cheap, and every single piece that we bought was $20 or under. So I thought it'd be a fun little challenge for today. I want to say to you guys, anything that I show you in this video will be given away. I might keep one piece for a video later in the future, not sure yet, but if you guys want to win first 2 steps, leave a comment down below and thumbs up this video. But with that being said, oh shit, did I hear the doorbell? God, the doorbell rang. I don't know if you heard that. I'm gonna go grab the package. I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
What do you mean you gotta come back with the other package? This is horse shit! God! So the mailman only came with one of them. I guess we're gonna have to wait till later in the video to unbox the other one. But without further ado, boys, we got the box in hand. And let me just say, I'm about to open it up real quick. It's a sex joke. I thought it was kind of funny. Oh, also before I forget, all that stuff right here that you see is getting ready to be shipped out. I already picked the winners. So if you guys won, leave a comment down below and I'll like pin it or something. I forgot to mention, everything I got was watches. I'm trying to look for bust-down watches, baby. I want to go little pump in this bitch. Okay, wow. We actually have crazy boxes right here. These were like 20 bucks. I have no idea the quality, but these look pretty sick. So we got 2 right here. I think I ordered 4 in total, which are gonna come back in a little bit. They had to do another run and then come back. I don't know why. First off, let's unbox these right here. Can't remember even what type I bought. So this is gonna be, oh my god! Wow, it's sparkly. It's like hearing Selena Gomez's fetish for the first time when she's rolling around in that sick white shirt that with no bra on. It was sick. Wow! This is probably the craziest bust down we've ever bought. So once again, I don't really wear this type of stuff. I buy it for like sketch videos and stuff like that where I try to take it to pawn shops, say, and try to sell it for more money. Once again, that's what we're about here. The first watch, this is insane quality actually, boys. Bust down, which if you guys don't know what bust down is, it's like when they just put the jewels all over this thing. The face looks like Kim Kardashian's n***. It looks like one of my balls. That's the first one, boys. I think this is real sick. If you guys remind me, I'll try to put links down below. That's wild. Somebody's getting this. Next package. Hopefully this one's just as good quality. That one's insane. Oh! I forgot I got this. My favorite colors in the world is something with red. So any color mixed with red I think is dope. We got another bust down with a red face right here. This one actually has numbers. The other one didn't have numbers if you couldn't tell. So this one I can actually read, which is awesome. Very dope, man. I think this is very sick, and I honestly am well on my way to becoming Tekashi 6ix9ine once I get arrested today for probably doing something stupid. Bruh, these are $20? This isn't sponsored, by the way, at all. However, it should be. But y'all let me know. I'm trying to get it on, but I can't. Y'all let me know if you think this was a good deal or not. So I just got off the phone with my buddy. I'm gonna kind of turn this into a vlog video while we're still waiting for those other packages to come to unbox at the end of the video. So I texted him. He's a YouTuber that does same sort of videos that I do around here in Winnipeg. If you guys know him, it's Real Ray Ray 20 or Tom Stefaniak. I don't know what name he goes by right now, but he's gonna come pick me up because I don't have a car right now, and we're gonna go over to the mall. He, I guess, wants to go Black Friday shopping, and I want to go Black Friday trolling. I mean, Black Friday's sick if you guys like spending money. Once again, I like making money, so I'm gonna get kicked out so I can make more money off ad revenue on YouTube. No brainer. That being said though, boys, I wonder if they've got dildos on sale at the mall. We should go ask. Excuse me, sir. You don't have any on sale dildos here, do you? Or do you work here? No. Oh, I'm sorry. That's really embarrassing. I apologize.
No problem. I've done that before.
I'm glad you've done this too. Do you guys sell tampons here?
No.
I'm getting it for my girlfriend. She's been kind of a piece of shit lately.
Or you can try Shoppers Drug Mart.
Shoppers Drug Mart? Okay. Will that take away her period? And just like that, boys, this probably is kicked out of the mall. This dude walked ahead. They're like, you gotta leave. Apparently, I'm not allowed to ask people if they sell dildos here because it's like assault or something.
Did you get banned from this
I was
one?
serious though. I don't think I'm banned. They just told me to leave because I can't record. So that's what it is, boys. Back home, I guess. Another mall? Check. Wouldn't recommend this mall, man. It's filled with liars and thieves. I wouldn't recommend going in the mall. Yeah.
What are you doing?
You just gotta tell the people what's going on. If they don't mess with the boys, they don't mess with anyone.
Where were the liars and thieves?
A lot of them, everywhere. Everyone I talk to, especially the one that kicked me out. Not cool. And we're back, boys. God damn, was that awful. I hate lines, I hate crowds, I hate all that crap. But it's also probably good. I can entertain myself for hours on end like a 6-year-old. So this is great too. Anyway, boys, getting on to the next portion of this video, let's show you the other 2 watches I purchased for under $20. It's like a $100 challenge or something off Amazon. If y'all enjoy these videos, by the way, let me know because I love unboxing stuff. I think they're like fun and stupid videos to make, and I also just like showing you guys some deals if that's what you guys want. But any excuse for me to just buy some stupid shit that I can go sell somewhere else and make a funny video about, I think it's a no-brainer. I'm gonna do it. Alright, so next box. Damn it! This one doesn't come with a cool package. Dude, this, I don't even want to give this away. The other ones are just so quality. I'm not really sure how I feel about it. It says on it. Whoa, that's not good. I don't know if y'all can read that, bro. That's not okay. Alright, anyway, that's that watch. And last one in the box, boys. This one's got a cool case, man. As y'all can see. Oh, please be sick. Please be sick. Oh! Yes! This one comes with a bracelet! We got the bust down bracelet with the bust down gold watch. I feel power right away when I wear these. It's kind of cool because they're not that noticeable on my knuckles. That's the last one right here, boys. Kind of just wanted to unbox these to give away to you guys. I thought they were sick deals and a little Black Friday challenge. Trying to find the coolest stuff we could for under $20 each. This thing is wild. So anyway, that's it for the video. I kind of wanted to do a little mall trolling, a little Black Friday nod, something like that. And I also wanted to give you guys some stuff. So the last thing you guys got to do if you want to win anything is on my Instagram right here. Message me on there and say you did everything, and screenshots for proof would be awesome too. Also subscribe, and the notification bell is a big thing. That's all you guys got to do. Hope you guys once again enjoyed your, what was it yesterday? What'd you guys have? Turkey Day? Thanksgiving. Hope you guys enjoyed that more than I did. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Probably, hopefully it's gonna be cool. Hopefully I'm not dead before then. That would suck. Peace, boys. Still gotta get the video to 10 minutes, boys.